Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss about third party procurement. So it also comes under the P2P cycle. It is one of the P2P cycle. So this third party procurement is applicable for vendor as well as for the customer. So let us discuss the scenarios and what is this actually all about third party procurement. So we send the materials to a subcontracting vendors from other vendors. Like for example, suppose we have to send the material to the subcontracting vendor and we don't have the material right now with us. So what we can do is we can directly tell a vendor which has this material to send directly to the subcontracting instead of sending us, because it will be time consuming and it will reduce the cost also. The vendor will directly send the material to the subcontracting vendors and the invoice receipt and all those things will be done at us. So here we will place an order with the vendor for a raw material and the vendor will directly ship the raw materials to the subcontracting vendor instead of sending us. This case is similar, same thing with the customer also. So suppose if customer is actually wants to purchase something from us, and if we don't have that material, we will tell the vendor to get the material and directly send it to the customer, and we will do the remaining invoicing and all those settlements later. So this is how the third party procurement works. These steps are same, only there is a small difference where you can mention the another vendor, like we can send the vendor the materials, subcontracting materials from the vendor directly. So I'll show you how this is done. So as usual, you have to go for ME21N, that is the purchase order, okay, and standard PO. So we have to send this material to a subcontracting material which we don't have, and the vendor which we are actually placing the order, the vendor will directly send it to the subcontracting vendor. So let me use this vendor ABPO. ABP is the purchase group for our organization. Then material, let us assume this is the material which we want. Plant is ABC1. Then you have to enter all the mandatory details. Say this is a 100 price, enter the quantity, say 10, and then enter the storage location. These things are mandatory, so you have to enter the storage location. Then next working day is 17. Yeah, it's okay, we'll make it 17 because it's working day. Hit enter and see. Now you can see that there is an option called as delivery address, right? And you can see that there is a vendor here. So what I'll do is, he is a subcontracting vendor, so directly this vendor will directly send the material to this, because we don't have right now this material in our warehouse. So instead of procuring, then storing it in our warehouse, then sending it to this, so we will save a lot of time in the transportation as well as time. Now here we will give our subcontracting vendor, select it as, hit enter, and select this as a SC vendor, that is subcontracting vendor. Now you have to check this. So this role is missing, you can maintain it or you can just ignore this. Just save this and save. You will see the purchase order is placed. So this is how you can create a third party. And also there is option called as item here, and here also you can maintain the third party option, and then it will ask you the next dependent things that you have to enter step by step. So next, it is just as usual, same thing. You have to do the uh, goods GR and then invoice receipt. So this was the short video on the third party procurement. So in the next video, we will see outline agreement and all the other things. If you like the video, please press the like button as well as share and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.